In this video, I will walk you through the exact steps needed to permanently delete your Adobe Express account and terminate your profile. It is important to remember that deleting your account is a permanent action that will remove your access to all Adobe services, files, and creative assets. So make sure you have backed up any important work before we begin. To start the process, you need to navigate directly to the Adobe Privacy and Personal Data dashboard. You can find this by searching online or going through your account settings. But once you arrive, you will be prompted to sign in with your email and password. After you have successfully logged into the privacy portal, you will see a comprehensive overview of your data and security settings. From here, you should scroll all the way down to the bottom of the main privacy management window. Look for a specific section labeled as the Delete Adobe Account module. This area is specifically designed for users who wish to completely remove their information from a system. Once you find it, look for the button that says Continue and click it to initiate the termination wizard. The system will then guide you through several confirmation screens to ensure you understand the consequences of closing your account. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the request.